Here is the turntable I just bought from a couple of old guys that between both of them, they probably have combined probably 60 to, no, actually probably 80 years of experience in the audio industry. Now this old guy, he resurfaces old equipment. And this here, I was impressed by his post on Facebook because he really described a lot about what he did. All the componentry in there, everything was taken apart and cleaned and serviced, and everything is in excellent operating condition. He actually let me, of course, he let me test it at his garage, and everything works. And it even has this cool little rod here, or extender, so I can stack records. Although he highly recommended that I never use that feature because it's not good for the record, which makes sense. You've got a stationary record falling down on top of a record that's turning, and it's not good for the grooves for the record. So anyway, this is going to go into this cabinet. That's the plan. And then I got schooled big time. Let me see. Then I got schooled big time because I walked up to the garage, and I see these two old guys in the garage, and they got a workbench and all this equipment, and I'm like, oh, we got some tinkerers here, and one of the guys, he gets up from his chair, he takes his glasses off with the light shining down on the table, and he looks at me and goes, "We are not tinkerers." And I go, "Oh, I'm sorry." He was smiling when he said it, but still, it was funny. So anyway, he educated me on tube amps versus the solid state stuff, and I wouldn't say educated me. He actually just there's the noise, construction noise. Hold on. Okay, hold on. He stated that I need to go in there and look at the tubes and see if it has this particular number on it. And if it has the number he wrote down, he said that's a good amp and it's worth salvaging, it's worth resurfacing. If not, then toss it. And he also told me about the turntable. He said, look at the stylus, like get underneath it and look at it, and if it's a porcelain or a ceramic stylus, toss it, throw it in the trash. So, not that I'm going to use the old turntable, but anyway, he's just, I'd give it to him, because people that have that kind of passion for something, I don't mind paying full price for stuff and giving him something if I can. Okay, so after removing, this was the wood, veneer, fake wood framing that was around the turntable. Took that off. Then I had to grind some additional plastic off the supports for the lid in the back, and it's really ugly right now. You can't see it, but back here there was let me see if I can get a better one. So back here was where I grinded off the remaining excess plastic that had to come off because it was too wide for the cabinet, for this space here. And it's all jagged and ugly right here now, but I have a solution for that. But other than that, it fits. So step one complete.